In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Calendly step by step so you can update your login details quickly and avoid any confusion with your account access. If your old email is no longer active, if you've switched jobs, or if you just want to use a different inbox for Calendly notifications, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and easy way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens your account menu, where you can manage your personal settings and login preferences. From the menu, select Profile. This takes you to your account profile area, where you can view and update different details tied to your Calendly account. Now, on this page, look for the Login Preferences tab and click it. This section is where Calendly keeps your sign-in and security-related settings, including your email address. Once you're inside Login Preferences, you should see an option that says Change Email. Click that option to begin the update process. Calendly will then let you enter your new email address. Type in the new email carefully and double-check it for any spelling mistakes, because this will become the email linked to your account. After entering your new email, Calendly may ask you to verify your identity. This is a normal security step, and it helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. If prompted, just follow the verification instructions on screen. That may include confirming through your current email, entering a code, or completing another security check depending on your account settings. Once the verification is complete, your email address will be updated on Calendly. At that point, your account should be linked to the new email, and you can continue using Calendly normally with your updated login details. If you use Calendly for meetings, scheduling links, or business appointments, it's a good idea to make sure your new email is one you check regularly so you don't miss any important notifications. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address on Calendly. It only takes a few moments once you know where to look, and now you've got your account updated and ready to go. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.